So we marry for the wrong reason. That's the point. And a lot of men in Africa don't have an exposed mind. For you to come and be talking about sex, waga, is because you're exposed. There's some men that are not exposed. You see a lot of okay women on this live video. They are here laughing. Their wives can't even talk about sex. But they are enjoying it. They are enjoying blessing, talking on yes, some of them prefer another woman. That's why a lot of men cheat. A lot of men cheat because there are so many things they don't want their wife to do that they want their side chick to do. Do you understand? Some of them will want blessing now to be crazy, but their wife cannot be crazy. Because they have this mentality that when you are wild, when you are crazy, when you talk, you are an ashawo. So most times the problem is from the men, it's from the culture, it's from the religion. So we need to unlearn it. We need to drop all those archaic, nonsense mentality and enjoy ourselves. Sex is yes, lack of expression is what makes a lot of women cheat, not satisfaction. Lack of expression makes a lot of women cheat, not satisfaction. A man can satisfy a woman if you can allow her express herself. There is no man. And communicate and bring out her manual. Oh, when Hema do Jonah this video, the person asked on this video, for me, the person said, "Blessing, does size matter during sex?"
Okay.
Size.
Oh, yes.
It doesn't. The size of a man's manhood does not matter. Remember when we were talking before, sex is about the mind.
Oh, mind.
Finger,
that's
this finger, as small as this finger is, it can make a woman come. This thing.
Oh.
Yes, it can make a woman come. So sex is about the mind. Your mind. Do you love this person?
Mind.
What is your mind? Because for you to come, for you to get to orgasm, you need to close your eyes and imagine. If you are not there, you cannot come. Yes, that's orgasm for you now.
So
your mind must be there. So a lot of people, their minds are not.
Comment section. Size matters because size matters. I want to why that me. When size doesn't matter. Size matters because
for that size. Let me tell you what happens to women. When a man have a big bowler,
oh yes,
it is just that imagination. Everybody like big thing, but they cannot chop big thing. It doesn't. If they give you big food, they sweetie, but you know go finish it.
Oh, naturally,
yeah, naturally we like big things. We like big car. You won't stay.
Okay.
You understand my point? We just like big things. So it's that fact that, like me now, if I see a big manhood, what excites me as a woman is the wow. If you the aquara now, the thunder.
Okay, so what thunder? Okay. Man, every year for me, and that it's even wow. It's just you there, and I will benge.
Like more Africa now, waga very big manhood. I can be looking at his manhood and come without him penetrating me.
It's okay.
And okay. But if he penetrates me, I might never want to have sex with him again.
Oh, okay, you want to damages. What are oblongo? What oblongo? What oblongo? Oh, that's the one.
So sometimes it's just that imagination, that excitement, that wow, it's big, whoa. It doesn't mean that.
I never hear this one before. You see, let me tell you something. Oh, yeah, Moja, the Maka. I know put this here like this. I want to do we get up to speed, because at times it seems like Jerusalem. We have to be matching up with the speed, because I want to go. Enwere alakpa ya kistata kpakwa chie yike enyi nwoke azahara
ihe ụmụ nwoke azahara ihe ụmụ nwaanyị na-eme enjoy na ikwu iko. What women enjoy during sex is not the pa.
Oh, The four. Okay.
Yeah, me, I have never gotten to orgasm with just give me a head. Fuck me, kill me, chop me. No, I'm not saying what are you talking about?
As simple as that.
No, don't say like this.
No, funny. O nwere nke akụziziri anyị n'ikpeazụ anọ uncomfortable. Ị na-adị nọrọ ka onye na-anya bicycle. Ị nọrọ in that position. A wee na-amịcha gị aka ụtụ. Shift from under. Koto. Hey.
More they cool on my own. More. I like you on penetration so much. Penetration.
You mean yeah? Oh.
I like penetration because I have a small pelvic. So for you to penetrate me, I have to be extremely wet, except you will injure me.
Okay.
So that's why I didn't have quick go with only man like you. Because if I don't like you, I will never get wet. So I have to like you. That's why I say, for me as a person, for me to have sex with you, I have to like you because only when I like you, that's when I can embody you. Do you understand?
Oh yes.
It's going to be a whole lot of jobs. So it's the
the struggle. It's not gonna be a struggle, eh? Never struggle kind of choro. But I get one year married by chog, just never been a young when. Oh yeah. Just never been a young working. Now what you do, my chog, if you when you came, if on the chog, it go there. About I got me, it may enjoy. In a crew me now, water. You want to go? I'm going to put the Java and Torag, no work I can really put or force. Yes.
For a woman to be wet, you need to prepare her. It starts from the mind.
Okay.
It's like it's like you are hungry and your throat, your tummy is ahead. So why do I say expression? You can be coming back from work now, and as you are in Lagos traffic, you're talking to your wife. Baby, what are you wearing? I can't wait. She's wet before you come.
Okay, you by words.
Yes, so the point is, many men are not patient enough to get a woman to be wet. And the easiest way to get her to be wet is by talking dirty. Talk dirty with your wife, talk dirty with your girlfriend. That shit drives a woman crazy. Forget that you're pretending. It makes her feel good. Baby, I can't wait to touch you. I can't wait to grab your boobs. Oh my God, they like it. We like it. Do you understand? So let's
in Igbo, it's a scope, you know, because it's like you know.
You tickle them. Because a lot of women who are cheating are not cheating with richer men. They are cheating with men that know how to scope. Up on Instagram and Facebook. Nah, baby girl. I love your. Hey! You know, to get a woman, you need to tell her what is called. And acquire with sweet nonsense. You know, what for sweet nonsense. Yeah, I can't wait. Your pussy is as long as a two-seller.
Serious time and the funding to a catalog. After call to a no, what is you? Guys in our car don't do na lago. Walking my somewhere like this, and I like her. Walking now the funny with women, you know, get them, you know, they fuck them a lot. Because they want us, you know. Yeah. Omi to your boyfriend, the amo, dear Hannah, but not to. Urban, they were tired. Hey, my guy, not to. No, I. Well, it's good thing to tell them nice things, you know. They like to hear nice things, you know. But the most important thing, let it not be ka ọ ịbụ na agwọ nwoke na efe kwesịrị ime ka mmiri gbaa ọ na efe kwesịrị ime ka nyụa yotago nwoke abịa fụrụ ya na nna na-let him down ọkwa ndị lady abịa fụrụ ya na nna I no supposed to tell this guy what he go do. At least he kwesịrị ịma ụmụ nwaanyị na-asị that how can you now come and tell a guy what to do? Doesn't he have to?
That's what I'm trying to say now. All those ones are local. If you cannot tell a man what to do, then you'll be the one suffering it. You'll be doing it by yourself.
Oh,
you'll be doing it by yourself.
Okay, I'm going to where's your car?
A lot of women do it now. Digi lakshagi, and you go lakshagi by in the toilet, yes, people do it.
No one is fine.
Is that not punishment?
Okay, I'm going to or if you're called the change, you're calling.
You know the crazy thing about if you're you have to imagine. You do a lot of brain work.
If every problem no where chekato onwe aka. Where do I go? What mental picture are you using in this Ifyaka? Do I feature there? Because some mental picture, he concentrate when I show this aka. What is that mental picture?
I don't think of my boyfriend. I don't think of the people I know. Now, me as a person, I go wild by imagination.
Okay.
Now, I can just start imagining 5 guys with 5 long manhood.
You see the mental picture.
You know, kind of crazy.
That is the mental picture.
That's what we call fantasy. When you take yourself to fantasy world, only you will be enjoying yourself. Give me reality.
This is what I'm okay.
So that's the mental picture. The mental picture has to be crazy for you to be able to come. Like, wow, it could be your spec. It could be one girl on Instagram that you like, that you know that you will never get. You know they're going through the girl. So you just take the picture, you're now. You come back to reality. Yeah, so
I'm wondering can do Kempineme. I want to do Kempineme. It's the one Instagram. It's the Instagram. How many I knew I am a new and a different. Man, the Cindy and Abia Bonson and my dear Paul. How
when you know video on Facebook. Like they send me video holding my picture and see them. Oh, when they got forgotten my office line, Paul, is this blessing? They'll say, no, it's not blessing. They say, can I talk to blessing? It's urgent. I want to die. So they'll bring the phone to my office. Maybe my PA or my reception will bring the phone to my office. I know. Hello. I see blessing. Hold on. I want to come. You see what's that?
Hold on.
And immediately they come, they'll just cut the call. I'm telling you, some people are crazy. I'm telling you. It happens.
Wait. Anybody have just come with that last connection.
Yes.
No guy. Usman guy. If you can see
there's some people that you like, that you know that you might never meet, you might never be able to afford them. You can know all these small boys. It's just like now, as a Nigerian, you are masturbating with Nicki Minaj. You know you might never meet Nicki Minaj. You know, or you're masturbating with Beyonce.
You see, on that, Abunanda marry age go have me. Abunamana be through the
Makadi B. Now,
if you do it, no. Nagwagina, he that man need the baby, just that large voice or no. Osboy, if you do one is here, hello, is blessing. The thing that just shoot to a car. You